turning canned food into delicious, quick, easy, budget-friendly meals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the loadedpotato.org website so you can be free from all the worry of dinner and get your life back. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. I spent the last 18 years figuring out how to streamline dinner, and the last year turning it into a free website so you never have to worry about dinner again. Who has time to remember to thaw the meat or hours to spend slicing and dicing vegetables? Nobody, nope, not here. I hacked the system, saving you time and money by using only canned and shelf-stable foods. Sounds weird, right? That you could only make healthy meals for your family using fresh produce? Think again. Canned for the win. First, don't Google loaded potato, at least not yet. You'll get 3,642 recipes for loaded potatoes that are not mine. We're still working on our SEO. So you'll need to type in loadedpotato.org directly into your URL box. Once you're at our site, you'll meet Russ, our loaded potato mascot, with his fully stocked pantry. You'll see a video of how to select your meals, and as you scroll to the bottom, you'll see. First up, you choose your meals. Use the free interactive meal menu selector to customize your meals for 7 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we calculate based on your selection. 2, we calculate your entire grocery list, accommodating for the number of people you want to feed and how long you want to use this meal plan for, anywhere from 7 days to 10 years. 3, you can print your grocery list or even add it to your online shopping cart if you prefer to shop that way. And we have links to all the best products to make shopping so easy. So you can get to your grocery calculator by clicking here, the Choose 7, or at the Choose Your Meals button, or at the very top at our grocery calculator tab. So once you're in our grocery calculator page, you can start scrolling through our meal options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have a breakfast section, lunch section, and dinner section. Now you can choose any meal you want for any meal. You can have beef stew for breakfast or pancakes for dinner. But we just wanted to make it easy so that you could keep it organized and make sure you have 7 for each if that's what you need. As you are scrolling through the delicious meals, you'll see they have a price and a calorie amount. These are both rough estimates, but we'll give you a ballpark figure to stay on budget, whether with your wallet or with the scale. Now, when you see a meal that looks quite delicious, you can click on the words and a new tab will open up the exact recipe for that meal. You can see all the ingredients you'll need. You can add the items to your cart from the recipe page, but it's a lot easier to do from the grocery calculator page. Now, you can go back to the main recipe page and scroll through all our recipes and click on anyone that looks good to you. And once you've got a few favorites picked out, you can go back to your grocery calculator tab and add all the meals that you want. You can have shelf-stable meals all 7 days of the week, or maybe you only need 2 or 3 days. Just pick what you need. You don't have to pick all 7 if you don't want to. Once you have all your selections made, scroll down and you'll pick how many you are feeding in your family, anywhere from 5 to 20 people, and how many weeks you'll want this plan. The weeks selection is for the more advanced loaded potatoers who have a 1 or 2 week rotating meal plan. If you are going out to the cabin and need a month's worth of food, this comes in handy. Or some will even use it for a year or 2. Most canned goods don't last longer than 2 to 3 years. So we don't recommend buying years at a time unless you plan to eat it before they expire. But if you are new here, just trying it out, try it for 1 week. Gosh, you can even just try one meal once. And once you see how quick, delicious, easy, and budget-friendly these meals are, you'll be coming back for more. My goal is to save you time, money, and the mental load of just trying to figure out what to make every single night. So once you have all your selections made, you're going to click Show Shopping List at the bottom. And all of your selected meals will show up along with your shopping list. You can scroll through your meals and your shopping list. Maybe you already have enough rice and pepper, and you can uncheck those items if you don't need them. Also, please note, we include water in all of our meals. This is to streamline the process for our RVers, boaters, campers, and anyone who doesn't have running water. If you have running water and don't need the water, make sure you uncheck the water. Honestly though, I have running water. We are on a well, but I still have quite a bit of stored water because if we lose power, we lose water too. Just something to think about and consider if you want to store some water. So once you have double checked your list, you can either print out your shopping list and bring it to the store, or you can add it straight to your Amazon Fresh or Walmart cart right from our site. Yes, these are affiliate links, and we have to say that. We make a teeny tiny percentage of what you buy. It costs you nothing more, but it's just how we are able to provide you with this website for free. Now, this is very important. At the bottom of your shopping list, you'll notice a QR code. This QR code is your link to access your specific shopping list that you just made if you happen to accidentally close the website. So take a picture or screenshot of that QR code and you'll be able to access your recipes and shopping lists anytime, anywhere. So in your photos, just click and hold down on that QR code that you took a picture of and open it up into a new browser, and you'll link right back to your shopping list and all the recipes that you selected. Now, if you do want to print your list, you will notice that the recipes will print along with your shopping list. So you can have them on hand, ready to go. So when dinner time comes, your life is that much easier. So there you have it. Now you know how simple and easy it is to use the loadedpotato.org website. I hope you use it to free yourself from dinner and get your life back. Conquer the world or just read a book. Either way, you'll never have to worry about dinner again. And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable food. Till next time.